Uh, uh, okay. Work hard and nigga. Back it up and I hit it up. Car just be ringing up. Car just be going up. Ad just be hanging up. Sitting in the chick cut. She give me twerk cut. Lap dance, I'm controlling that big ass. She control the cut. Just so big cut. Working on this C cut. She trying to get me, but she can't even get me cut. Homie, I don't need no help. I'm a big boy getting help. Nigga know that green, yeah. Nigga, you gon' need help. Going back and I'm pushing for it. D mode, I'm going for it. R mode, I'm reversing it back. I'm getting for it. I'm getting head. She cocking head in the bathroom. She getting scared. Her mama with her daddy. I don't really know right, man. Getting in my caddy. Why just for my daddy? I'm stunting hard on my daddy. These niggas know my caddy. My mama just made me. I'm riding on 20s. Now I'm out of the house doing my own thing, man. I got the jury, I got the clothes. Got the money, I got the hoes. Spin the hoes and I got the jury. Nigga know my ball low. Nigga know cause I ball hard. Nigga know cause I get it hard. Nigga know cause I get it. Spin it like ready. Ready like that money, like that clock, like you funny, boy you don't know Shorty, cause you better get to know Shorty, cause she gon' come through, hit your girl, she gon' come through, I switch to your girl, I switch to your homie, that switch to your homie, like I switch to the boo, boy, and I hit it, then she split it, then she work it, and I hit it, right like she ain't working, cut it down. Hit it down, value button going down, speed that joint up, boom, boom, like I'm going down. Hit the joint like I hit it back, quarterback, put a price on that. Hit the thing and I'm running back and I'm running through the middle, yeah. Touchdown, every down, boy, know it now, best. Had to simulate the game, I was a beast now, I'm a beast. Boy, if you know I'm a big boy, played in the big league, boy, if you know it, boy, finished school, finished college, boy, I got a dollar shot. Hit the thing up, put that combo body, put your money up with a weight, you ain't really know me, come on holler at me, man, and I got my speakers bumping in my Chevrolet, I'm back and then I switch to a Charger and then I'm getting it just like that. Whoa, hold up for the beat, $1.99 freaks. Call me on the leash, call me Papa V. Yo mama call it, she see the blue fall like when she came here, she ran outside with the lotion bottle. I said, hold on here, please don't try to play me, please don't try to play me. Go get your ass back up to the maidens. Go in that apartment, you better go in that apartment. I came here for your daughter, I'ma tear it all like a Hey.